Hey y'all, real deal, why was it Akins? We're having a phenomenal day. Akins, why Willies? I've got a red truck behind me. It's race red. It's not ruby red or rapid red. It's race red, Georgia Bulldog, Norfolk Honey Titan red. I'm so excited about this one, y'all. It's been a long time coming. Got more race reds to show you, but for now, gotta calm me down. Let's go. 2021 Akins Ford F150 XLT 3028 Bad Boy Covert Edition, y'all. Been ready for this one for a while and so glad to have it all completed for you. Wow. If you don't like red, then don't hate on this truck, because as far as a race red, it's all there, y'all. There's it's just, oh, so in love with this truck, y'all. So up front, XLT grill. We had several different thoughts about what to do with the grill. We thought about doing body color on the big main 3 bars. We thought about doing some red inlay in the back. We just had several things in our mind to do with this one. Ended up doing, let's just black it out and do a nice 2-tone emblem, red tow hooks, and also this front bump pad. This is a texture black. We removed the texture, did the gloss black on that too. Really elevated it so nicely. Now, if the LEDs are flickering, it's because of our 4K camera, so apologize about that. But since we're talking about that, phenomenal look there. Look inside the headlight, y'all. We done showed out. We got race red and a black inlay in the headlights. Got rid of some of the chrome around the bezel inside the actual headlight component. So phenomenal. Really kind of completes this build. Just a lot of chrome in that headlight. If we didn't do that component red and black, it just definitely wouldn't have that pop to it. So really like how that looks. Now, of course, we're covert action, so we're leveled on 34s. The 2-inch ready lift level kit, hockey puck style spacer up top there, nice and true and level. Zero trimming whatsoever. Crash bar still intact also. We are 285 65/20. It's a 34.8-inch tall tire, so we could be leveled on 35s, y'all. It's closer to a 35, so let's do leveled on 35 action. We got XD Titan 863 wheels. It's a new wheel for 2021. Has a sporty off-roadish look, all in the same kind of combination. Simulated bolts around the edge as well. Zero offset, so mild to wild scale, we're definitely, I guess, mid-range. We're sticking out maybe about a 2-inch or so. We didn't do a 295 width tire, so it would stick out slightly more, but we wanted to do slightly more conservative when it came to how much it sticks out on this one, and I like this balance. It's a good proportion with the zero offset with the 285 width. I think it works very nicely. Let me know what you think. First time ever, we've done some of this teardrop side badge many times, but we did the teardrop as well as this center stack. Did it red F150 and the XLT there. Typically this is chrome and just like that gray, ugly looking finish. So really do like how we did this side badge. Really has a nice contrast and breaks up all the red. And doing that top part, removing that chrome was just a nice touch, we feel like. Now let's go inside and show you another jaw-dropping option we just installed. And the special surprise on the inside, because the insides need love too, y'all. Got the custom tech stitch, cat skin leather, red on the wings. Tech stitch is the diamond inlay on the seat back and seat bottom. Great quality, looks so much better. Truly brings this build to a completion. Man, gotta love that. Truly make it a true custom with that addition there. Looks so amazing. And look at this stance, y'all. Leveled on 34.5s, leveled on 35s. That looks so good. Zero rubbing or scrubbing at all. Just a great overall setup. Now coming out back, we got Akins liner and more. Sport 4x4 sticker. We thought about removing it, but we said we'll leave it, let the customer decide. Look at these tail lights. Oh my gosh, y'all. So the tail light looked like that one there. We removed a lot of the components, did a nice border trim paint in race red, and then did the same black there. So 100% legal. No component that's lit up has been painted, so everything is to spec. But just look at that. Looks so nice doing that custom paint in the headlight. Custom badge out back really completes the build. in totality, and that's just a must. And love how we did the blue to black on this one. And we do different variations on our emblems, but I like the blue to black and the chrome red on this particular package. Looks so great. I gotta know what you think, y'all. Whether you're a red fan or not, what do you think about how we took this recent Covert edition for you? You know I'm in love with it, but I'm definitely partial to the race red. I just want to see what you guys and gals' thoughts are on our latest creation. Y'all, we love it. God, we love it, we love it, we love it. And we hope you enjoy our videos. I'm gonna get some more rolling shots of this one coming in the future for you as well. So much more coming to you in 2021. It's mid-April already, can you believe it? And we got so much to share with you guys. So stay tuned for more by hitting that subscribe button and hit that bell notification as well. And I'm gonna try my best to do some better filmography, better videoing for you guys, but just we're so busy, it's hard to find time. But as long as we keep bringing beautiful trucks to you is my main concern, and we're not stopping with that for sure. So I'm Nsheppard. Thanks so much for watching. Hope everyone has a great day.